Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2022 Dauntless. What a phenomenal boat this is. It can go on the inside and go on the outside and go pretty much anywhere you want it to go. It's also powered by the new Mercury 250 horsepower. It's a little rocket ship. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we're on board the 22 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat. You've got the seats are versatile, so if you're just out fishing for the day, they fold down to a nice fishing platform right here, all non-skid all the way around it with your rod holders. Again, you get the new Mercury on the back, the 250 with the power pole on the back. And then if you're going for a ride, these both fold up, so real comfortable seats in the back of the boat. So very versatile for fishing and for going for a ride. If you are fishing, good size live well in there. You can hold a ton of bait in there. Also doubles as a really nice cooler, self-draining as well. Plenty of rod holders as we move around to the helm. Nice dual captain's chair right here, so very, very comfortable, very supportive on it. It's we got the Raymarine 12-inch screen on it. You get the computer, you get the Fusion, you get the VHF, so digital throttle and shift and trim tab. So very nice very nice setup at the helm. Also, it has a charging system up here for your phone, so you can set your phone right up on top, and it will charge your phone while you're running. So won't run out of batteries that way. So in the head area, it's a good for a 22-foot boat. It's a big head area. You've got the porta potty in there with the pump out, so you can you don't have to worry about that. You can pump it out wherever you get gas. Again, for a 22-foot boat, this is a really good size lounger. So very comfortable for two people. You can squeeze 3 people in it, and also very large storage, so you can fit fenders and you name it, coolers. Also will hold 5 rods in there, which we can lock it for security, so great place to keep your fishing poles. And then this is, you can ice it down, you can put fish in there, you can put drinks in there, you name it. It'll do a little bit of everything. Nice sun pad in the back, low profile rails on there for holding on when you're on the boat. Great sound system on the boat as well. Nice T-top on there, and so it just does everything very, very well. Again, the inside shallow draft on this boat, and it'll also go out in the ocean or the Gulf as well. So it'll do just about everything you want it to do. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.